Alex, good morning. Welcome to Vietnam Tourist. My name is Alex. How can I help you with your travel plans today? Mr. Nguyen. Good morning, Alex. My family is planning a trip to Vietnam in June, and we're interested in visiting Nha Trang and Dalat. Alex. That's a wonderful combination. Nha Trang and Dalat are very popular destinations for tourists. It's a great way to experience both the coast and the highlands. Could you tell me a bit more about your family and your preferences? Mr. Nguyen. Certainly. There are 4 of us, my wife and I, and our 2 children, aged 8 and 10. We have a bit of a split preference. My wife and I would really like to enjoy the beach in Nha Trang, while the kids are more excited about visiting Dalat. Our maximum budget is 3 million VND per person. Alex, I understand. A trip combining beach and mountains is a fantastic idea for a family. And June is actually a very popular time to visit both cities. In June, Nha Trang is typically sunny, which is perfect for beach activities and snorkeling. Dalat's weather in summer is pleasant, not too cold, with occasional light rain and mist in the late afternoon, offering a comfortable atmosphere. Alex, regarding your budget of 3 million VND per person, for a family of 4, that totals 12 million VND. Combining 2 destinations, especially during peak season like June, and including transport between cities, accommodation, and activities can be challenging within that budget for a package tour. For example, the sources show a 4-day, 3-night tour from Ho Chi Minh City covering Nha Trang and Dalat is priced higher than 4 million VND per person. A 5-day, 4-night tour from Ho Chi Minh City is priced even higher, around 6.57 million VND for adults and 4.93 million VND for children aged 5 to under 10. Alex. However, we can absolutely explore options to make this trip work within your budget. Instead of a full package tour, we could plan an independent trip focusing on budget-friendly transport and accommodation. Mr. Nguyen. Okay, what would that look like? Alex, we could structure the trip, perhaps splitting the nights between the 2 cities. For getting from Nha Trang to Dalat, traveling by express bus is a common and more affordable option. There are many daily trips available, and tickets usually range from 110,000 to 200,000 VND per person. It takes a few hours. Hiring a taxi is also possible, but would be more expensive. The route via QL27C is scenic but can be winding. Alex, for accommodation, while some higher-end hotels are mentioned in the sources, there are also more budget-friendly hotel options available in both cities. For example, in Dalat, you can find hotels like Pontus Hotel starting from around 393,750 VND per room per night. We would look for similar value options in Nha Trang that fit a lower per-person cost when 4 people share a room. Finding accommodation in advance is recommended, especially for June. Alex, for activities, we can prioritize free or low-cost experiences. Mr. Nguyen, what sort of activities would you suggest that the kids and we would both enjoy, keeping the budget in mind? Alex, in Nha Trang, your family can spend time relaxing and swimming at the beach. Exploring the local markets like Cha Dam or Cha Sam Moi is interesting and free. Plus, you can find local snacks. You could try famous Nha Trang foods like Ban Khan, Ban Ka, or Nem Nung, which are often affordable street food or local restaurant options. Visiting Long Son Pagoda or the Po Nagar Towers are cultural sites that are relatively low cost to visit. Vin Wonders is a fantastic theme park that kids would love, but the ticket price is separate and would impact the budget significantly. Alex, for Dalat, since the kids are excited about it, there are many places to explore. Walking around Xuan Hung Lake or Lam Vian Square is free. Dalat Market is also a lively place to visit and try local snacks. You can see the unique architecture of Linfuka Pagoda, Vechai Pagoda. Places like the City Flower Garden or Din-e Baodai usually have entrance fees, but might be worth considering depending on your interest. Trying Dalat's famous street foods like banh mi siu mai, ban trang nuong, grilled rice paper, or sup sup, beef salad, is a delicious and budget-friendly way to eat. Enjoying a warm glass of soy milk or a bowl of avocado ice cream is also a classic Dalat experience. Mr. Win, that sounds like a good approach. So we'd need to book transport and hotels separately and then plan the activities ourselves? Alex, exactly. Planning independently allows more flexibility to choose options that fit within the 3 million VND per person budget. It will require some careful booking in advance for June. We can help you identify reputable bus companies and suggest areas to look for budget accommodation. We can also provide more details on the cost of specific activities you might be interested in, so you can decide which ones fit your family and budget. Mr. Nguyen. Okay, that makes sense.